What are Friday afternoons like in the city? Come with me and I'll show you. For many, Friday afternoons are one of the best times of the week. The weekend is coming, and most people have free time to meet up with friends and forget about the routine. This week we knew that one of the most popular festivals of the year was happening in the heart of the city, and we took advantage of it to take a short walk. The atmosphere was calm. There weren't many people walking yet, but you could smell that little by little more people were leaving work. In the background, very calm music was playing, among the noise of the people, marking the rhythm. We are on Konigstrasse, and we find a jazz band playing. And while I show you the images of the city and the festival, why not listen a little and enjoy the atmosphere? The Weindorf Stuttgart has been held since 1976 and has grown to become one of the largest wine festivals in Germany. The festival takes place for 12 days in late August and early September, right at the end of summer and beginning of autumn, located on the Schiller Square, which is the square right at the entrance to the old castle, and Marktplatz, which is the square next to the town hall in the center of Stuttgart. Both are transformed into a charming wine village, with more than 120 beautifully decorated stalls offering a wide variety of wines and culinary specialties. The Weindorf Stuttgart is more than just a wine festival. It's a celebration of culture, tradition and community. If you have the chance to visit Stuttgart during this event, you can't miss it, especially if you like to taste very good quality wines.
stop your sound. Be happy again. Oh, keep on smiling. Oh, when you're smiling, smile. The whole world smiles. This whole world smiles. The whole world smiles when you chop it up, chop it up. Smiles with you. Danke.